Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper of the 20 by 20 centimeter, then fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Open the fold. Now one corner towards the middle crease from one side and then the other. Fold it perfectly. Now into two halves, press it. Now fold it like this. Now you have to see how to close its tip. Okay, let us form a lock in it. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.